welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia Mesadieu, your guide to the best wardrobe tips, products, and ideas that help you look and feel your best. And to all my felines, welcome back, ladies. So it's been a minute since I've actually been on camera. I think the last video that I filmed, it actually was pre-recorded. So let me just catch you all up to speed. Basically, I recently enrolled into my personal styling certificate program. I am so excited because I am going to learn how to be a personal stylist. And with that comes many other opportunities for me, as well as just being able to virtually style people. So I would love to get started on that the more that I get into the core of my course classes. So I'm really excited about that. I started about 2 weeks ago, and so that means that this channel is going to take a direction that is going to be more fashion driven than ever before. Fashion is always been a very huge passion of mine. It is, I like to call it, one of my first loves. And so now it's really time for me to pour into that talent and into that love that I have for clothes and styling. And it's something that comes very natural to me. I just wanted to have the actual book knowledge behind it, and I wanted peers and mentors to really help me to hone in on this craft specifically. So that is something that I'm definitely working on moving forward, and there's gonna be a lot less videos about hair, and I'm sort of in the middle when it comes to more makeup product reviews. Those things I'll still do, but my channel is going to be a lot more fashion driven, a lot more fashion focused, and so I just want you all to be prepared for that. So if you are here solely based on my hair videos, I would love for you to stay and continue to watch the evolution of this channel. But if you feel like you're tapped out and that's just, you know, fashion is just something that is not necessarily your speed, then I totally get it. No hard feelings. I hope to see you soon when you need some ideas on fashion. Okay, so that's enough about that. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this moving forward. You will never miss out when I post a video, so that's exciting. If you could go ahead and just click that bell. If you have any questions or any suggestions, let me know down in the comment section. Favor, peace, and blessings, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.